Good day viewers, you are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations given that f of 1 minus cos x equals sine square x, and we want to find f of x. We have this domain which is 1 minus cos x is a trigonometric, and we are just interested to find only f of x. So to do this, we are going to be solving it in two different ways. Let's consider this as method 1. Suppose I let 1 minus cos x equals u. I will apply substitution method and I will also manipulate it. Here, I let 1 minus cos x equals u, then cos x will be equals 1 minus u. So when we take this 1 to other side, we have u minus 1, and divide everything by negative or multiply by negative, we have 1 minus u. That is for cos x. So when we try and replace it, we have f of, instead of 1 minus cos x, we have it as f of u equals sine squared x. So but the domain here is given as u and here is x. Let's try and express this as x. We are going to recall from an identity. If you note that sine square x equals 1 minus cos square x, and we are going to replace this one at this point where we have f of u equals 1 minus cos squared x. But cos squared x, we can also write it as 1 minus cos x all raised to the power of 2. This equals f of u. And since we are dealing with x, we have to replace the whole of cos x with 1 minus u. We leave it in terms of u. We have 1 minus, instead of cos x, we have it as 1 minus u all raised to the power of 2. But when we expand 1 minus u raised to the power of 2, we are going to get 1 minus 2u plus u squared. And when we substitute back here, we have f of u equals, we have 1 already, minus open bracket, here gives 1 minus 2u plus u squared. So here we have 1 minus, open this parenthesis with negative outside. Minus times this, we have minus 1. Minus times minus, that is plus 2u. And here is minus u squared. Then our f of u equals plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Here gives us 2u minus u squared. And by replacing every single u with x, we are going to have our f of x equals 2x minus x squared. This is the final answer for f of x. And again, we are going to solve this in another way round, and I call this one form manipulation method. And by just coming to our channel, please do to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So let's get into the second method. So in this second method, I will be applying the form manipulations. How does this work? The function here is f of 1 minus cos x equals sine squared x. So this side is given as sine squared x, and the domain is given as 1 minus cos x. I want to express the whole of this right hand side, which is sine square x, to be having 1 minus cos x. So what I'm trying to say is, suppose we have f of a here, so I will also be having a here as well, so that I can just replace this a with another thing. If this one changes to u, so this one also changes to u. Unlike if we have f of a here and we have b here, this one can never change. If I change this one to u, this one still remains our b. So but I want to manipulate this in such a way that all these sides we also have 1 minus cos x. So and to do that, if you consider from sine square x, where we have sine square x equals 1 minus cos squared x. So replacing it first, we have f of 1 minus cos x equals 1 minus cos squared x. But we cannot replace this thing yet because this is cos x and this is cos square x. They are not yet the same. And to make it the same, we recall that if this also equals 1 is still like 1 squared minus a is also cos x all raised to the power of 2. So when we compare this with a squared minus b squared, so this gives us a minus b and a plus b, called difference of 2 squared. So here we have f of 1 minus cos x will now be equals, open bracket, 1 minus a is 1 and b is cos x. So we have 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x. Yet we have 1 minus cos x, but here is 1 plus cos x. So it means we still need to manipulate this to 1 minus cos x. By having 1 minus cos x equals 1 minus cos x is still the same here, but this one we have to change it to 1 minus cos x. Suppose I have here to be 2 minus, open bracket, 1 minus cos x. So this seems to be equal because this is minus 1 and 2 minus 1, that is plus 1, and minus times minus, that is plus. So we cannot replace every single 1 minus cos x with x. Here we have f of x equals x into bracket of this change to 2 minus, then the whole of this, that is x. And if you open this, we have 2x minus x squared. That is what we got from the beginning in the first method. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.